I've always fancied myself on the back of a motorbike, and I had an opportunity a few days ago. Unfortunately, it wasn't moving at the time. I haven't passed a motorcycle test, but I was in Holyhead outside Penrose Stanley Hospital on the back of a wonderful motorbike called Elsa 2 to draw attention to the launch of the new blood bike service in North West Wales. For those of you who don't know, Blood Bikes Wales is a charity which has for many years offered a very valuable delivery service for the NHS across Wales, but there was one part of the jigsaw missing. The northwest of Wales was the only part of the country where this service was not available. Now, Blood Bikes Wales is a group of volunteer bikers, and they raise the funds needed to run the service. They will carry all sorts of products between hospitals, from blood to plasma to samples or medical documents, and they do so as a matter of urgency and free of charge, and they save a fortune to the NHS, which would otherwise, out of hours, would have to employ taxis or couriers for this very service, or they may even have to use the police or ambulance services.
Wilsey and North West Wales, can I thank the enthusiastic bikers for ensuring that we too, like the rest of the country, can now benefit from their kindness.